Today, I'll show you how to connect to a TeamViewer ID using a new installation of TeamViewer on your computer. Whether you're helping a coworker, providing remote support, or accessing another device, we'll go through each step slowly and clearly so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, make sure you have TeamViewer installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, go to the official TeamViewer website, download the version that matches your operating system, and complete the installation. Once that's done, you're ready to begin. Start by opening the TeamViewer application on your computer. You can usually find it in your Applications folder, in the Start menu on Windows, or by using your system's search bar and typing TeamViewer. Now, when the app opens, give it a moment to fully load. You should see the main window with two main sections, your own ID and password on one side, and a place to enter a partner ID on the other. The layout might look slightly different depending on the version, but the basic options will be similar. Now, look for the field labeled Partner ID. This is where you'll type the TeamViewer ID of the computer or device you want to connect to. You should get this ID directly from the person or system you're trying to access. It's usually a series of numbers. Take a second to double check the number as you type it, because even a small mistake, like swapping two digits, will prevent you from connecting to the correct device. Once you've carefully entered the partner ID, make sure the connection mode is set correctly. In most cases, you'll be using remote control to access and control the other computer. This is typically selected by default, but it's worth confirming before you continue. If your version of TeamViewer shows different options, just choose the one that refers to remote control or remote access. With the partner ID entered and the mode confirmed, go ahead and click the Connect button. After you click Connect, TeamViewer will try to reach the remote device using the ID you provided. Often you'll be prompted to enter a password for that partner ID. This password should be given to you by the person on the other end, or it may be a preset password if you've configured unattended access on that machine. Type the password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If everything has been entered correctly, TeamViewer will establish a secure connection, and shortly after, you should see the desktop or screen of the remote computer appear in a new window. From here, you can move your mouse, type on your keyboard, and interact with the remote system as if you were sitting right in front of it. If the connection doesn't work, check for common issues, verify the partner ID and password, make sure both computers are connected to the internet, and confirm that TeamViewer is running on the remote device. Often, resolving one of these simple issues will get you connected, and that's all you need to do. By opening the TeamViewer app, entering the partner ID, and clicking Connect, you can quickly and securely access another computer using TeamViewer.